So today I'm going to be going out very quickly where I don't want to have a really made up face. And as you guys have been seeing, I've been using these Ollie products, literally doing it out of love because they've saved my money and the products are good and very, very reasonable. I've been spending so much on skin products because you'll see I use expensive makeup because I've had some experiences with my skin, which I don't like to talk about, but they were life altering for me. But this is by a friend of mine, and this brand has been around for 8 years. I've hardly used it, but this time I told her to come and do the demos on my face, and the videos were completely spontaneous. The reactions were real, and I've bought a range of her stuff. I will share them. You will see the effect on my face, and then you can buy it. And some people have already bought it and send me WhatsApp messages saying that they love it. So I'm very, very excited to be able to talk a little more about skin products than I usually do in my videos. Okay, let me start. This one is called As Good as New. It's a moisturizer and a night cream. What I like about our products is that certain products can be used during the day also, works as a night cream also, works as a primer also. So it's like I have to carry less. So I'm going to first use this. I'm going out in the evening, so it's almost sunset. So I've already done my sunscreen in the morning. I will make another video with the sunscreen. Right now, I'm going to just apply this on my face. And it's okay for all kinds of skin types because it doesn't leave you oily, yet leaves a lovely glow. Today's makeup is going to be completely without any concealer, also without any liquid foundation. But if you need to use it, go ahead. It will still be great on this. Apply properly all over your face. Now you should see how my blush is going to glide on this. I tried it and I got so excited. It's not funny. Let me straight go in with my blush and show you how it looks. This is a shade called Sweet Peach Peony by Nude Sticks, but it's discontinued. I'll label the shade which is close to this. Now look at the way it's blending. I'm not even using my brush. You know, I'm in my 40s and I've realized the main thing is about keeping your skin good. If you keep your skin good, then everything else kind of falls into place. Okay, uh, I'm going to just set my eyebrows. This could also be your makeup for work, or for me, for little outings, I don't like anything more. Set my eyebrows. I won't put eyeshadow, I'll just go for a mascara. A light mascara. This is just a makeup to quickly highlight your features or do a bare minimum kind of makeup and go out. If you need concealer, you will easily be able to apply it on this product. Such makeup is also so much easier to remove, especially for daily looks. I'll just use a little kajal on the outer corner. Just take any pencil brush and smudge it out a bit. I should have done this before the mascara, but it's okay. Okay. Eye makeup is done. I always line and fill out my lips with a nude lip liner. That way my lipstick stays longer. I'll use a neutral lip liner. And a neutral lipstick. More than concealers and foundations, of course, use them if you need to, but making your skin look good under makeup or just around makeup or little bit of makeup, whatever, is the main goal. Let me add a little gloss. I'm going to add a little bit of a highlighter. Now, have you noticed I've not used any foundation or any concealer? My makeup is done. So it's a myth that you always have to use foundation or concealer. You can just highlight your features on top of a good skin product. Once again, I'm saying if you need to use concealer, do spot correction in the parts that require it. I will show you makeup looks even with those steps. I will show you makeup looks on these products even with liquid foundation and powder foundation. But the fact that I'm using it myself every day says a lot, doesn't it? Anyway, do try these light makeup looks for summer. I hope they're helpful and I'm good to go.